If you have a full piano, you might also have pedals by your feet. There are typically 3 of them that can change the sound of the piano. On the left is the soft pedal. This creates a muted, less bright sound by changing how the hammer inside strikes the keys. On the right is the sustain pedal. This allows the notes to play or sustain for longer by removing the pieces that dampen the strings. In the middle is the Sustenuto pedal. This is similar to the sustain, but is more selective, as it only sustains notes that are already being played when the pedal is pressed. Any played after will not be affected. Pedals are pretty advanced, and if you're working with a digital keyboard without pedals, don't worry about it, as we won't come back to these for quite a while. I hope you return for next week and take this journey of learning the piano with me. Remember to practice and take care.